In this video, we will learn how to find and open the toolbox in Roblox Studio. The toolbox is used to add free models, images, meshes, and sounds to your game. Let's go through the steps together. First, open Roblox Studio on your computer. Choose a project you want to work on, or start a new one. Wait for your game to load completely so you can see the main workspace. Next, look at the very top of the screen. You will see a menu bar with several options like File, Edit, and View. Find the one that says Window. Click on the Window tab. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of different panels you can show or hide inside Roblox Studio. From this drop-down list, find and click on Toolbox. Once you click it, the Toolbox panel will open on your screen. It usually appears on the left or right side of the workspace, depending on your layout. Now, you can use the toolbox to search for and add items to your game. Use the search bar at the top of the panel to find models, decals, or audio. For example, if you type car, you will see different car models that you can drag into your game scene. If you accidentally close the toolbox, you can open it again by going back to the Window tab and selecting Toolbox once more. That's it.